15 foods that can cleanse and detox your kidneys naturally. Your kidneys are incredibly hardworking organs, silently filtering toxins and maintaining your body's balance every single day. But maintaining their health is critical to ensure they can continue working optimally. One of the best ways to protect and support the function of your kidneys is through your diet. In this video, we'll explore 15 amazing foods that can cleanse and detox your kidneys naturally. These nutrient-rich superfoods not only support your kidney health, but also have incredible benefits for your overall well-being. Let's dive in. Your kidneys play a vital role in keeping your body healthy. These bean-shaped organs work around the clock to filter waste, toxins, and excess fluids from your blood. They regulate essential minerals like potassium, sodium, and calcium while also maintaining blood pressure, producing essential hormones, and promoting red blood cell production. Yet, your kidneys can become overwhelmed due to poor diet, dehydration, or toxin buildup over time. That's why consuming the right foods can make a significant difference. Let's explore the 15 natural foods that help cleanse and detox your kidneys to keep them in top shape. Cranberries are small but mighty when it comes to kidney health. They're famous for their ability to prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs, which can also affect the kidneys. Packed with antioxidants like proanthocyanidins, cranberries help reduce bacteria buildup and inflammation in the urinary tract, keeping your kidneys safe from infections. Drinking unsweetened cranberry juice or adding fresh cranberries to your diet is a simple way to boost kidney health. Blueberries are not only delicious, but also loaded with nutrients that benefit your kidneys. They are rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which protect kidney cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. Beyond that, blueberries contribute to overall kidney function by supporting healthy blood flow, making them a great addition to smoothies, snacks, or breakfast bowls. Watermelon is a hydrating powerhouse that helps flush out toxins from your kidneys. Its high water content promotes increased urine production, which aids in cleansing your system. Additionally, watermelon contains lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that fights inflammation, further supporting kidney health. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, and that includes your kidney specialist. Apples are high in pectin, a soluble fiber that helps eliminate waste and toxins from the bloodstream, reducing the kidney's workload. They are also anti-inflammatory and promote heart health, which is indirectly beneficial to your kidneys since cardiovascular health and kidney health are closely linked. Lemons and limes are packed with vitamin C, which helps flush out toxins and strengthen the immune system. The citric acid in these citrus fruits is particularly helpful in dissolving kidney stones and preventing their formation. Starting your morning with a glass of warm lemon water can be a refreshing way to aid kidney detoxification. Cucumbers are about 95% water, making them an excellent food for keeping your kidneys hydrated. Their natural diuretic properties help flush out toxins and prevent the formation of kidney stones. Cucumbers are also low in calories and loaded with vitamins, making them a healthy snack option. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are nutrient-dense foods that support kidney function. They are high in magnesium, potassium, and vitamins A and C, which help reduce inflammation and repair damaged kidney tissues. Leafy greens also balance your body's pH levels, ensuring an alkaline environment that is favorable for kidney health. Turmeric is a golden spice celebrated for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, lowers inflammation and protects kidney cells from oxidative damage caused by toxins. Adding turmeric to soups, curries, or teas is a simple way to give your kidneys a natural boost. Ginger is another star ingredient known for its detoxifying effects. It helps eliminate toxins, reduces inflammation, and improves circulation, all of which contribute to healthy kidneys. Whether consumed as a tea or added to meals, ginger is a versatile and delicious way to support kidney health. Garlic is a powerful natural detoxifier. It helps eliminate heavy metals from the body, reduces inflammation, and lowers oxidative stress. Rich in sulfur compounds, garlic also improves kidney function by promoting better blood flow. Using fresh garlic in your meals is an easy way to harness its benefits. Onions, like garlic, contain sulfur compounds that detoxify your kidneys while promoting healthy circulation. They are also packed with flavonoids that protect kidney tissues from oxidative damage. Onions are incredibly versatile, making them easy to incorporate into everyday meals. Pumpkin seeds are tiny but mighty when it comes to kidney health. They are rich in magnesium, a mineral that reduces the risk of kidney stones and supports overall kidney function. Pumpkin seeds make for a great snack or topping on salads and soups to keep your kidneys happy. Herbal teas, like dandelion and nettle tea, act as natural diuretics, encouraging the kidneys to flush out toxins and excess fluid. Dandelion tea is particularly well known for its detoxifying properties, while nettle tea provides essential minerals that support kidney health. Sipping on these teas regularly is an effective way to stay hydrated and aid natural kidney cleansing. While not technically a food, water deserves a special mention. Proper hydration is crucial for kidney health as it helps flush out toxins through urine and prevents issues like kidney stones. Drinking enough water throughout the day is one of the simplest and most important steps you can take to support your kidneys. Incorporating these foods into your daily life doesn't have to be complicated. Start with simple steps, like enjoying a handful of blueberries for a midday snack or adding some lemon juice to your water. Blend leafy greens like spinach into a smoothie or toss them into a salad. Create flavorful meals by using spices like turmeric, ginger, and garlic. Snack on pumpkin seeds or sip on herbal teas for added detoxifying benefits. Small changes in your diet can have a big cumulative impact on your kidneys over time. The wonderful thing about these 15 foods is that they nourish more than just your kidneys. Many of them reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and promote cardiovascular health, creating a ripple effect of benefits throughout your body. The better your kidneys function, the healthier you will feel overall. While eating these foods can significantly contribute to kidney health, remember that overall lifestyle habits matter too. Maintaining a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and staying hydrated are key pillars of kidney health. Limiting processed foods, excess sodium, and sugary drinks is also essential to protect your kidneys from unnecessary strain. To recap, the 15 foods that naturally cleanse and detox your kidneys include cranberries, blueberries, watermelon, apples, lemons, limes, cucumbers, leafy greens, turmeric, ginger, garlic, onions, pumpkin seeds, herbal teas, and of course, water. These kidney-friendly superfoods not only detoxify your organs, but also nourish your entire body. Start small. Incorporate a few of these foods into your diet today. Your kidneys and your overall health will thank you. Together, let's take simple steps toward a cleaner, healthier, and happier you.